This video is for the Big Numbers Lab activity sheet. I've already done my calculations and now I'm going to do the video to explain what I did. On number 1, I took the numbers that it gave me and put it in scientific notation for the numbers that were given. And my estimate was $1,200,000, which was far off from the actual number. The actual number is $11,777, and I took the 3 trillion, or I think it is, divided by the population, and that's what gave me my number. I did the same thing on number 2. I did scientific notation, and once again, my estimate was different than my actual. And so I got $56,474 for the actual number. And then on number 3, I took the $141 billion and divided it by the budget and got 3.7%. On number 3, I calculated 100 times 0.001 and I got 10 cents is how much money I lost. And on number 4, it's asked me to take a guess why they had different ratings, and I said Ms. Jones must have dealt with more money than Mr. Smith, therefore her missing that much money may have not actually been that much. And to find out, my guess was true. Ms. Smith had 0.7% of her budget missing, and after all the calculations, Ms. Jones only had 0.0014% missing. So Ms. Jones dealt with a lot more money than Mr. Smith, and so therefore her rating was higher. On number 6, what it says what percent of the national budget is foreign aid, and I took the numbers and divided it, and I got 0.54% is foreign aid. And then on number 7, I got the $1 bill, and I recorded its length as 15.5 centimeters, and the width was 6.6 centimeters. And I got, for number 8, I took the 15.5 centimeters and divided by 2.54 because there's 2.54 centimeters in an inch, and so therefore I got 6.10 inches. And then I took the 24 billion times 6.10 and I got a very large number, and then I divided it by 63.36 zeros because that's how many inches is in a mile, and therefore I got 2,310,606.1 miles. On number 8, it says how many times around the earth would this string of billion bills reach, and then it says the circumference. It gave me that, and so I divided 2,210,601.1 divided by the 25,000, and I got 92.4 times. Number 9, it says how many square miles would this $1 trillion cover, so I square rooted 2,310,606, and I got 1,520.07 square miles. And lastly, on number 10, it says how long will it take this person to count the $24 billion, assuming it's all there, and it takes 5 seconds to count 10 out loud. So I took the 24 billion and divided it by 10, and that gave me 2,400,000,000, and then I multiplied that by 5, and then I got 12 billion. So I divided that by 3,600, and I got a large number again, and divided that by 24 because it's going down by seconds, hours, and then days. And then on days, I did the number I got by 365 because there's that many days in a year. So I got 380.5 years to count the $24 billion bills.